My mother, my mother, my precious one. My mother, my mother, my mother, my mother. You fed me so I would never go hungry. You clothed me so I would never be cold. You gave me your everything so I wouldn't lack my mother, hiding the pain, showing only her smile. She became the foundation for everything I am today. My mother, my mother, my precious one. My mother, my mother, my mother, my mother, my mother, the light of my world. Your kindness is priceless, it has no equal. When I was thirsty, you gave me drink. When in trouble, you helped. Forgetting yourself just to care for me. My mother, 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 queen of my heart. Even if I try to repay you, your grace is a debt that can never be settled. My mother, so many trials she passed, so much suffering, so much struggling just to raise me. Pricked by thorns until her blood flowed, yet my life was always renewed because of her. Though your hands are calloused and your face worn by time, a mother's care can never be replaced by anyone. My mother, my mother, my precious one. My mother, my mother, my mother, my mother, shielding me from sorrow, keeping me from pain. You led me until I could see the light. Through the heat, the cold and the rain of the wilderness, in the hardest time You were my shade, my mother. The kindness in your soul, the pain you endured, my respect for you has no end. Worried that I might fall behind others, she gave all she had so I could succeed. My mother's kindness, my mother's bravery is the greatest symbol of love above all. May God grant you long life, may I never see you suffer. It is your blessing that brought me to this day. My mother, mother means life, a lesson in peace. My mother, the lamp of my life. Your grace can never be repaid. It cannot be measured, only loved. My mother, my mother, live for me forever.